Baking tom turkey is a very fun activity for the whole family to enjoy. It can either be served or used as a centerpiece. To make tom turkey, you will need 1.5 pounds of bread dough. You divide it in half. Half of it is used for the body. So you roll half of it into a nice uniform 6-inch circle. So this will be for Tom's body. The other half is divided into 10 equal pieces and you shape them in a ball. 8 of those pieces will be used for the tail feathers. So one ball like this you will roll into a teardrop shape about 4 inches long. So this will be a tail feather. And you will place those around the body of tom turkey. I've already rolled these tail feathers out and I will place them around the body. This is the fun part, tucking these feathers in. And what I enjoy about making this turkey is every turkey turns out different. Once you tuck them in, you can reshape them a little bit so they look like feathers. Now the next step is a lot of fun. You just take little kitchen scissors and you make clips at an angle on each tail feather. So this is fun to do, and you just clip in probably about 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch deep, and this will add a lot of texture to the dough. Now we're going to make the neck and the head for tom turkey, and that's really a very simple step. You roll one of the pieces of dough into an 18-inch rope, and then you twist the rope together just like this, and in the center of the body you will use your hand to make about a 2.5 to 3 inch indentation, and that is where the neck will be inserted. And then you place the twisted part that we just formed in that indentation and twist the rope of dough to form the head. You can pinch the ends together with your fingertips. So that will form the neck and the head of the turkey. Now it's time to shape the feet. I've taken one ball, divided it in half, and I've rolled each half into a 2-inch circle. And then with your little scissors, you can clip to form the foot, and you just place that under tom turkey, and then clip in like so to make the little foot. And then just take that and gently lift up the body and place Tom's feet. So you take the leftover piece from the feet and you will roll that out or press it out, and then take your cutter and form a diamond shape, and this will form the beak. So we have a diamond shape, and then you fold it in half, and then you place it up here in the center of the head for the beak. For the eyes, you'll take a raisin and flatten it and cut it in half. And then I like to use the scissors and cut a little indentation in the beak area and the head area to insert the raisin, and this will form the eyes of tom turkey. Starting to look like a turkey. So now it's time to cover up tom turkey, let it rise until it's almost double in size, And then you will brush it with an egg wash, which is 1 whole egg and 1 tablespoon of cold water. So you brush the egg wash on right before it goes in the oven, and it will make a really pretty brown color to tom turkey. You will bake tom turkey in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And one tip that I have is you will have to watch it when it's baking, because the feathers will start to turn darker, and so you will need to tint it with a little bit of foil to keep them from over browning. So if you want tom turkey to be a decoration, all you have to do is just place the turkey on a cooling rack, and I usually let it dry for a day or two, and it will last for months. And I also like to use a picture frame holder to stand it up. And then for a table decoration, it's so much fun to include some wheat sheaf, some leaves, and some pumpkins. Tom turkey will taste good enough for your family to gobble right up.